So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher soap dispenser not closing, latch, spring and seal fix. So fix 1 is clean the dispenser and latch. Open the dispenser fully for cleaning, wipe down the edges of the dispenser, clean the sliding door rack roughly. Ensure the catch is also wiped down. Check that dishwasher pod plastic casing are not stuck in the mechanism. Second step is check your technique. Dry the dispenser cup completely with a towel before adding detergent to prevent premature swelling of pod. Ensure the detergent pod sits entirely flat and below the rim of the cup. Use liquid or powder detergent if pods are too thick to ensure the door closely easily. Third step is check and reset the slipped spring. Locate the rutted surface on the compartment door. Firmly push the door to slide it shut. Ensure sufficient pressure is applied for the latch to lock. Third fix is check for dish obstruction. Check for tall plates, utensils or cutting board in the lower rack. Ensure nothing is blocking the dispenser door from opening or closing. Pull out the lower rack for the rough inspection. Fourth fix is inspect the latch and spring mechanism. Ensure the area is clean before troubleshooting the door mechanism. Then check for wear or internal part if the door won't click shut. Inspect the small latch and spring on the door for damage. Replace the entire dispenser assembly if the spring is broken or the plastic latch is damaged. Thanks for watching.